Ever had a sneeze come out of nowhere while sitting indoors? Let's see what's really happening. When tiny particles like dust or pollen enter your nose, your body detects them as intruders. Inside your nose, special nerve endings sense irritation and send a message straight to your brain. The brain quickly tells your chest muscles, throat, and lungs to work together, and boom, you sneeze. That explosive sneeze clears out dust, germs, and irritants in one shot. Pretty cool, right? It's your body's built-in air cleaning system. So next time you sneeze, just remember it's your body protecting you. If you found this interesting, make sure to subscribe for more videos.